What if I told you you could downsize in maintenance without having to downsize in square footage?
What if I told you you could have that, complete with a golf course community and a marina, not to mention a clubhouse with an outdoor pool?
And what if all that came fully equipped with your very own 3-season private sunroom overlooking your 162-foot deep lot that ended with the 17-hole tee block at Oak Bay Golf Course? Well, stay tuned because we got all that and more all in today's episode. All right, Jules, here we are in the heart of the beautiful Oak Bay development in Port Severn. Tell us a little bit more about this location.
You know, Scott, I love this location. We're minutes to the 400. We're located centrally between Barrie and the Muskokas. All of your daily amenities are available in Midland. It's really giving you that Muskoka vibe without the drive time.
I love that, Julie, for sure. You summarized it beautifully. But for me, this is one of the only golf course communities you're gonna find in all of Ontario. This beautiful development is surrounded and bordered by Oak Bay Golf Course, truly one of the best you'll find in all of Ontario. In addition to that, there's a ton more coming to this development, including marinas, shops, and a ton more for you to look forward to. But take a look around you here. You've got such an incredible development. It's got such a cohesive feel, these gorgeous designer townhomes, double car garages, lots of parking. Let me assure you that the inside does not disappoint either. You've got just up the road from here, the Oak Bay Clubhouse all summer long. It features an outdoor pool for you and your walking distance to the golf course. How's it get better than that? Let's go inside and check out this house. Welcome inside this magazine-worthy home, and let me assure you right out of the gate that every square inch of this home has been beautifully finished, and it's got such a warm, cohesive feel from top to bottom. And of course, it all starts right here in the heart of the home with this beautiful kitchen. You've got the gorgeous cabinetry, stainless steel appliance package, the gorgeous tile backsplash, and then look at the size of this island. Tell me you can't visualize all your friends and family sitting around this beautiful quartz countertop and enjoying a nice meal or a cocktail. And then of course it overflows right into your beautiful living dining room combination. You feel the warmth from the second you walk into this one, from the designer light fixtures to the beautiful tile feature wall that blends beautifully into your gas fireplace. There's literally nothing left to do but unpack your bags and move in.
One of the unique features about this home that truly is special is this 3 seasons room directly off of your designer kitchen. This adds so much additional living space, but best of all, when the cooler nights roll in or the pesky mosquitoes are around, this gives you the perfect place to extend your time outdoors. This main floor is rounded out by a laundry room with designer finishes and direct access to your garage, an updated powder room, and additional main floor storage.
Welcome up to the second level now. Now I know you're gonna love the cohesive feel of that flooring from the main floor overflowing right into your second level as well. And remember when I mentioned you didn't have to sacrifice in square footage? Boy, are you gonna feel it up on the second level here. We've got 4 generous sized bedrooms up here, leaving 3 rooms for your guests or kids when they come to visit. In addition to that, you got a full 4-piece bathroom in behind me here, California shutters throughout the entire home, desire lighting, and wait until you see.
The neutral decor and designer finishes flow seamlessly up from the lower level into this primary retreat, complete with a walk-in closet and a 5-piece bathroom. But the real wow here in this primary retreat has to be the view of the golf course.
What I love most about this backyard is how well they've privatized this space. It's such an important criteria to this development. You can see they've got the wood privacy walls on either side. Of course, your 3-season sunroom that we already touched on, and it's all rounded out with not 1 but 2-tier deck, the ideal spot to sit back, relax, enjoy the barbecue.
What I love most about this backyard is that it's 162 feet deep, which gives you lots of green space, room enough for a fire pit, and you're backing onto the 17th tee block, which lets you watch golf without having those golf balls find you. We're the Knowles Woolsey team, and we know Port Severn. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.